Are you ready to discover the secrets hiding in plain sight on the newest cruise ships of 2025? Even the most seasoned cruisers often walk right past these incredible experiences without a second glance. Welcome back to CruiseAdventures. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the 8 most underrated hidden gems you absolutely have to try on your next voyage. These aren't your typical buffet lines or pool parties. We're talking about exclusive activities that can transform a great cruise into an unforgettable one. So grab your notepad because you won't want to miss a single one. Let's start with number 1, the secret sun deck. You know those crowded main pool areas? Forget them. On many new megaships, architects have tucked away smaller, often unmarked sun decks. Look for unassuming staircases near the spa or at the very front of the ship on higher decks. These spots usually have premium loungers, better views, and a blissful sense of quiet that's almost impossible to find elsewhere. It's the perfect place to read a book or just watch the ocean waves in peace. Next up, at number 2, we have pop-up culinary classes. Beyond the big, advertised cooking demonstrations, many celebrity chef restaurants on board offer intimate, hands-on classes that aren't widely promoted. The trick is to ask the maitre d' or restaurant manager on embarkation day. These classes often focus on a specific skill, like pasta making or dessert plating, and are taught by the ship's top chefs. You get personalized instruction, and best of all, you get to eat your delicious creation afterward. Coming in at number 3 is something for the stargazers, the impromptu astronomy nights. While some ships have dedicated planetariums, many new vessels with expansive top decks are perfect for stargazing. On clear nights in the middle of the ocean, away from city lights, the view is spectacular. Often, an officer or a crew member with a passion for astronomy will informally host a session, pointing out constellations with a high-powered laser pointer. Check your daily planner for a small mention, or just ask the activities staff if any are planned. It's a truly magical experience. Number 4 on our list is the behind-the-scenes art tour. Every new ship is a floating art gallery with millions of dollars worth of art. But did you know you can often get a guided tour? These aren't always listed in the main schedule. Head to the art gallery or guest services and inquire about a curated art walk. A knowledgeable guide will take you through the ship, explaining the stories and artists behind the most significant pieces. You'll see your floating home in a whole new light. Let's move on to number 5, the analog zone or tech-free lounge. In a world of constant connectivity, some of the smartest new ships are creating beautiful, quiet lounges where phones and devices are discouraged. They're filled with board games, books, and comfortable chairs. It's a throwback to the golden age of cruising. These havens are designed for genuine connection and relaxation. They're often subtly named, like the library or the quiet cove, so keep an eye out for a space that feels intentionally calm. At number 6, we have the specialized fitness classes. Sure, every ship has a gym, but the newest ones are hiding boutique-style fitness experiences. Think sunrise yoga on the helipad, high-intensity interval training in a dedicated studio, or even paddleboard yoga in the pool during off hours. These small group classes fill up fast, and are sometimes only advertised on the cruise line as app or on a small flyer in the fitness center. It's a fantastic way to stay active and try something new while at sea. Number 7 is a real treat for the curious traveler, the guest lecture series. Beyond the port talks, many ships, especially on longer itineraries, host experts in fields like marine biology, history, or photography. These lectures are often held in smaller theaters or lounges and provide fascinating insights into the destinations you're revisiting or the ocean itself. It's like getting a university-level education with an ocean view. Check your daily planner carefully, as these are often listed without much fanfare. Finally, our number 8 hidden gem is the Crew Talent Show. This is one of the most heartwarming and entertaining events you can find on a cruise, but it's often a one-night-only event, promoted mostly by word of mouth. This is where the crew, from your cabin steward to the engineers, get to showcase their incredible hidden talent singing, dancing, magic, you name it. It offers a wonderful glimpse into the lives of the amazing people who make your vacation happen. Ask your favorite crew members if and when it's happening. The energy is infectious, and it's a night you won't forget. So there you have it, 8 hidden activities that can elevate your 2025 cruise experience from standard to spectacular. The key is to be curious, to explore every corner of the ship, and to talk to the crew. The best experiences are often the ones you have to seek out yourself. What hidden gems have you discovered on your cruises? Share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your secrets. If you enjoyed this video and want more insider cruise tips, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to CruiseAdventures. Thanks for watching and happy sailing!